Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are always healthy and God always blessing us. Okay, let me introduce myself first to you. My name is Eka Anetasari. You can call me Kaka. I'm from English Department 2019B. So today I will do my final exam in English drama course about storytelling. Are you ready? Let's get started. The Smart Parrot. A man in Puerto Rico had a wonderful parrot. There was no other parrot like it. It was very smart. This parrot would say any word except one. He will not say the name of the town where he was born. The name of the town was Katana. The man tried to teach the parrot to say Katana, but the bird will not say it. At first, the man was very nice, but then he got very angry. "You are stupid, bird! Why can't you say the word? Say Katana or I kill you!" But the parrot will not say it. Then the man got so angry. He showed it over and over. "Say Katana or I kill you!" But the bird wouldn't talk. One day, after trying for many hours to teach the parrot to say Katana, the man got very angry. He picked up the bird and threw him into the chicken house. "You are more stupid than the chicken. Soon, I will eat them and I will eat you too." In the chicken house, there are 4 old chickens. They were for Sunday's dinner. The man put the parrot in the chicken house and left. The next day, the man came back to the chicken house. He opened the door and stopped. He was very surprised at what he saw. He saw 3 dead chickens on the floor. The parrot was screaming at the 4 chickens. "Say Katana or I kill you!" Thank you. Okay, that's enough. All of my story. I hope you are enjoy to listening and watching my video and story and my story. I hope you can getting the meaning in this story. I'm sorry if I got the wrong pronunciation or the intonation because I'm still learning. Okay, the last I say, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.